I'm back and I'm going to paint another painting. God laid on my heart to paint another painting based off of one of the scriptures that He gave me, and it's from Psalm 65, verses 9 through 10, and it says, "You care for the land and water it. You enrich it abundantly. The streams of God are filled with water to provide the people with grain. For so you have ordained it. You drench it in its furrows and level its ridges. You soften it with showers and bless its crops." Yo, this is good. The Lord is good. He is good. And I pray that He blesses all of you and encourages all of you, that He will provide. I don't know about y'all, but I don't care what I wear when I paint, because I'm not gonna wear cute clothes while I'm painting. So yes, this is what I wear. I have paint all over it, and that makes sure that I don't have to get new clothes dirty. All right, let's get back to it. Hey everybody, I wanted to come on here real quick. I know I've been painting for a while, but God laid on my heart to share something with you all. So as a painter, I don't know if any other painters out there kind of get this feeling, but you know when you're starting the process of a painting and it's not coming out how you thought it would, or you know the process is taking too long, or it's just not coming out how you want to. And sometimes you just want to, turn it around and just not want to look at it because you get frustrated with the process. And that has been me for about 2 days now, because I'm painting a waterfall with rocks, and I've never been as detailed with a waterfall and rocks before. I have painted a waterfall and rocks painting before, but this one's a little bit more detailed. And I was feeling really frustrated with how it was coming out because it just wasn't coming out how I wanted to. And I kind of ignored it, haven't worked on it for a while. And what God was telling me through that is, Cameron, you're trying to make it perfect, and it's not always going to be perfect. I'm the one that gave you this creativity, and just know that everything you create does not have to be perfect, but because I gave you that creativity to do it, it's going to come out perfect anyway. Every little detail doesn't have to be perfect. Every little line doesn't have to be to a T. It's beautiful anyway. And also, I love to go out in nature. And when I went out in nature, that's where I get a lot of my inspiration from. He said the same thing. Like, I would walk around and I would see trees that are not perfect. I would see, bushes that are not symmetrical. And he just said, even real life is not perfect. Everything is not symmetrical. So just keep going with the painting. Like, if you mess up, just keep going. If you hit a roadblock, just keep going with it. So I just wanted to be real with y'all and show y'all, what I go through sometimes when I paint. Sometimes it's not all peachy clean. Sometimes it doesn't come out how you want it to. And that's just the reality of painting, and also life. Life, there's a lot of things that you would want. There's a lot of things that you plan out that you want it to be. You want it to be how you planned it. But in reality, that's not how life goes. So that's another thing that he had taught me is everything's not going to be perfect. Just trust me and enjoy the process. And you will see in the end that it's actually going to come out better than you thought it would. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you. So now we're going to go ahead and get back to the painting. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the process of the different rocks that I was painting. And it just wasn't coming out how I wanted to, but I know that when I keep working on it, it's actually going to be better than I thought. So alright, y'all.
Bye. Thanks for watching. I pray you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. See you in the next one.